wrapping up here at the Great and Pool Party. We're going to be heading to Oakland Airport, hop on a plane to LA, staying at the Ritz tonight, and at the Lowrider Show all day tomorrow.
Wow. Look at the wall.
49. What does it say?
It's like sparkly. I don't know if I could tell in the camera. Wow, look at this luxury. I think we're facing the arena.
And we got upgraded to the one-bedroom suite. Purchase our travel through American Express Travel, and you get upgraded from the one that you book if it's available. And we get a $100 dining credit, but we get breakfast for two every day that we're here. Oh. And then this property gave us something a little extra and gave us another $20 per day while we're here.
And you get late checkout.
Till 4 o'clock, and you get early check-in at 12, but we were at another event, so we didn't get to
And then they named so many amenities of what this, we have to go through
this
the packet.
This particular property, we can go to the bowling alley for free, the museum for free, we get free popcorn at the Regal Movies across the street.
We have to go, it's crazy. Like, this is totally worth the cash.
Check it out.
Let's check it out.
Seen it. We're going to figure it out together.
Let's go. Oh, what is this one?
The first restaurant.
Wow, this is bigger than my room, Craig. Just kidding.
Look at how that's a little succulent. I love it.
Wow.
Let's see what we got over here. Oh, this is really pretty.
What is this, Craig? I'm about to flip out right now.
We have the one-bedroom suite. So look at the chandelier.
No way, dude. This is not real.
So here's where I'll be working on Monday.
This is so much space, guys.
We have a personalized card.
Planned. Wow.
Fresh fruits.
Fruits. Fridge and stuff out here, huh? Cool.
Yes, all kinds of storage. Full length hair. Oh, here's all your coffee purpose.
Wow.
So Chinar waters, coffee kits, all kinds of space under there. Look if you had food brought up. Okay, this is a big old room in and of itself. I like the lights.
Wow, look at the decor.
A little bench seat here. Like you could even edit here if you wanted to. And a master bath. We have a walk-in closet. His and hers, robes of course.
Dude, this is like a house. This is insane. Yeah, his and hers, right? Both sides.
This is our apartment for the next 2 days.
There's suites in Vegas that doesn't even have this.
There's the slippers.
A Ritz-Carlton beats suites in Vegas? I'm blown. And this is cheaper than the suites in Vegas.
Now you know there's going to be a tub. With all this, there has to be a beautiful tub for me. Here's our minister. Oh, wow. This is interesting. So there's the tub, but the shower is also in the same enclosure. You know I'm going to be in that tub tonight.
Oh, it is deep. Look at this. Whoa.
Oh.
Yeah.
Enough room for fluffy girls.
Loofah. They have a loofah shower cap. You're in the shower with that.
And her sinks. Here's her little succulents again. See, this is what I love about the Ritz. They always have those nice little touches.
TV.
Now some of the Ritzes have the steam.
Here's the view from the room through the curtains. You see the freeway. This is wild downtown. First time ever staying here in this crazy room they give us. We're gonna try to order some room service now. Let's see the Ritz-Carlton Los Angeles in the one-bedroom executive suite can do.
Bottle, I give you cookie plate.
Wow.
I do iced tea. I drink extra iced tea on the side, all kind of sugar. And I bring ice and ice water. And I have some Tabasco for you. I bring some Parmesan cheese, just in case you want extra for your Caesar salad, and some place cheese.
Okay, great. Wow. Okay, we're splitting tonight. Here we have a baby gem salad with chickpeas and avocado, and it's like an avocado dressing. Over here we have a piece of salmon with a piece of eggplant on top, and it's in a nice sauce, eggplant sauce, like an eggplant parmigiana sauce. And then Flo's got to have his dessert.
We had to try the cookies.
Cookie plate.
But tomorrow, we're going to try the cake, right?
Lots of extra Parmesan. And we ordered 2 iced teas. I was thinking 2 iced teas for me since Flo don't drink it.
Yeah, I don't want it.
And look, they gave us a picture on top of it.
Very nice. So very, I don't know.
She said, thanks for ordering in-room dining, because then she got to deliver it tonight. So that was awesome.
Yes. I don't know. I like it here, LA.
Yes.
Plus Ritz.
The staff here at the Ritz has been phenomenal.
Yes.
I need to get the gentleman's name from the front desk. He was extremely helpful, shared all the amenities with us, told us where all the places were located. Now the dining room service staff was great. She brought us the table, or she would put it on the table for us. She gave us options. Just A1.
Good morning. Coffee to juices, water, every condiment known to man, clean utensils, fire, sourdough, 2 pastries, and breakfast. So this is $100 with tip. We give $20 tip, but with the Amex, it's free. That's why we love Amex. You get daily breakfast. Came back from the car show and they did turn down service. Now this is what the turn down service is at Ritz-Carlton here in Los Angeles. 2 pieces of chocolate, fresh glass with water, and they fold it open for you.